SSG Embedded Solutions presents Arduino Uno tutorial. Let's get started. Welcome to the switch tutorial. In this video, we'll be interfacing switches with the Arduino Uno and verifying the operation by checking whether the LED turns ON or OFF. For this project, we need an Arduino Uno kit, a USB A to B data cable, and male-to-female jumper wires. First, connect the USB A to B data cable to the Arduino Uno kit. If required, connect the 12-volt power supply. Next, open the Arduino IDE. Follow the pin diagram provided with the kit and make the connections accordingly. Once the connections are done, you're ready to upload the code. This Arduino program interfaces 4 push-button switches with 4 LEDs. The switches are connected using the internal pull-up resistors and are read as active low inputs. Each switch controls a specific LED, yellow, red, green, or blue. When a switch is pressed, the corresponding LED turns ON, and when released, the LED turns off. This demonstrates basic digital input and output interfacing using the Arduino Uno. To upload the code, first go to the Tools menu. Under Board, select Arduino Uno. Then go to Port and select the correct COM port where your Arduino is connected. Now you are ready to upload the code to your Arduino. Thank you for watching this Arduino Uno tutorial. I hope you understood the steps clearly. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session.